how to tune into the frequency of money, prosperity, and abundance. This really works and it's easy. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, it's a beautiful day. We are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Hey, high flyers, I want to remind you that manifesting really takes place with the subconscious mind. If the subconscious mind is working for you, you can't be stopped. But if you have counter intentions or the subconscious mind is working against you, you can't be started. So anyway, you need help with the subconscious mind to help it work in harmony with your conscious mind. And that's why we created miraclehypnosisonline.com. I mean, people all over the world are now using Miracle Hypnosis Online, and they're getting tremendous results. And we're adding more audio programs, more hypnotic programs every single week. So you're going to want to check it out, get subscribed, but you can do it for 7 days absolutely free. Okay, I've said enough. miraclehypnosisonline.com. Money, high flyers, money is a frequency. It's an energy. It's a vibration, as is everything in the universe. Now, I want you to think about this. The law of attraction works in real time. It doesn't work in future time or future hopes, wants. I want, I need, I hope, maybe someday. That isn't how the law of attraction works. And some people say, well, I'm trying to think positive, Robert. I'm wanting even stronger now. That isn't how the law of attraction works, high flyers, especially when it comes to money. Ask yourself this one question to begin with before we get started. Why do I want to tap in to the frequency of money? What is there for me that I need or want or desire? What is it? So could it be opportunity or freedom? Maybe it's travel, or maybe increased sense of security and power, or prestige. Maybe comfort or health, a new home, a new car, the ability to do anything you want when you want to do it, the ability to give up working if that's what you want to do. Okay, so tap into that energy, that vibration, that frequency, because that's really why you desire money. You see, high flyers, the key is to understand that we've already tapped into money, but perhaps in a negative way, a way that holds us back from attracting the money that we desire. We are fearful. We're in a state of lack, want, need, hope, maybe even being scared. All of this is energy and vibration. Some of it takes you to the wealth and abundance that you deserve and desire, and some of it takes you in the opposite direction. I think one of the big keys is to understand that money is a transitional energy. Money in and of itself doesn't do much. I mean, what can you do with a bunch of pieces of paper? Think about it. What can you do with some digits on your computer? Not much. In and of itself, money can't do very much, but it's a transitional energy that will take you where you really want to go. Remember, high flyers, money is about real time, right now. It's not about future time. I'm not trying to win the lottery. I'm not trying to make a lot of money in my business. I'm not trying to have somebody send me a whole bunch of gold coins. I'm not trying to do that. I'm in the frequency of the feelings that money brings me. And that puts you in real time, and that aligns you with the frequency, the vibration of money. And that's how you start attracting what you desire: wealth, abundance, money, prosperity. High flyers, I want to give you a new belief. So write this down. Make this a new belief. This belief will help you with the technique that I'm going to give you here in just a moment. Wealth and money are easily within my reach. I love the word easily. You see, at any moment, you are one millimeter, 1 second away from everything you desire. I mean, things change on a hair. And when you're tuned in to the frequency of money, those opportunities show up faster, quicker, and easier within your life. Use that affirmation, use it, and make it a new belief. Developing a positive, energetic relationship with money will help you tune in to the frequency of money by tuning in to higher feelings, the feelings that wealth gives you. That's where you put your focus, high flyers, not on the money, on the feelings that wealth gives you. And you need to know what those feelings are. You need to write them down, or at least be clear about them, because that's where you're focused at having those feelings right now, this very moment, present time, real time, baby. That's where it's at. Okay, so high flyers, just close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Now, if you're driving, wait till you get to where you're going. But take a deep breath. Your eyes are closed. You're relaxed and calm. See yourself in an infinite empty space. White above you, around you. There's no color. It's just pure white everywhere you look. Fill the space with those feelings of abundance and wealth, and see those feelings as beautiful clouds of color, whatever color you give them. Feelings of wealth, feelings of security, feelings of abundance and prosperity and money flowing into your life. See these colors all around you. Now begin to fill in the objects that are associated with those positive feelings. Maybe a new beach house, a new car, a dream vacation. Maybe you see a new home for your family. Perhaps you see stacks of money. These are the objects associated with the feelings. Now, focus on the feelings. Focus on the frequency of the feeling. Look at the objects. Look at the feelings. Look at the objects. Feel the feelings within your body, within your mind. See the beautiful colors and enjoy this beautiful moment. Because right now, you're attracting money and wealth and prosperity into your life. You are tuning in to the frequency of wealth, prosperity, and abundance. High flyers, practice this simple 5-minute meditation every day, and you will literally be shocked. Put your results right down below here, because many of you are going to need bigger wallets. Okay. Hey, have a great day, because you deserve it. And here's some other videos to help you on your journey.